This cool feature is if you're using the iPhone, if you're using Apple ID, and if you're moving to any country and you're unable to download any application because of the restriction of the country, so you can solve that by simply change your you can solve that problem by simple changing your region and the country. In this video I'll show you how to do that. So the first, just go into the App Store, because the most app is not downloading, so you need to go to the App Store. Just hit right corner, this is your Apple ID, so you'll see this is your Apple ID. Just hit on it, and when you just go into that setting, you'll find look at this, you'll find this is the country and region. So just click on it and it will show you the option change your country or region. So when you just go that, hit that button, it'll give you the bunch of list of the countries you can select and which country you are right now. So just hit that thing and it will ask certain information. Just fill up that information, and then App Store will show all application on your phone. If you try that thing, if you like this video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.